Hi, I'm Ben, and today we are at Ocean Coral Springs reviewing the top 5 things that kids should do. Let's go. So now we're at number 5, and it is obviously the water park. So there is lots of slides you can see here. The pink one is really dark and it gets jammed a lot because there are no lifeguards on slide duty, so that is a problem. But all the others, like the orange one, that's also long, but the pink one is longer. It gets really dark in there, and actually, they have a burger bar right over there. So if they have chicken nuggets, we can get one. That was delicious. Now we're moving on to number 4. Now we're at location 4, the lazy river. So as you can see, there is a lot here. But there is no currents. There is no current, like absolutely no current. Those water guns over there, they don't work. But it's really fun, and it's not a lazy river. It's more of a rapid pond because there's no current. But there is a bar over there if you wanted to get a drink. And they also have some kids drinks like pina coladas with no alcohol, like a version one, a version mango drink, like a slushie, and then a version strawberry daiquiri. Now let's head to location 3. Yoo-hoo! Now we're at location 3, the family lounge. So there's many fun things about the family lounge. First of all, they have pool, foosball, air hockey, and popcorn machines and all that. They do have restrooms, obviously. They have an Xbox, which is pretty fun, to be honest. They have a whole bunch of different games. It is an Xbox One, so yeah, but I'm pretty good at this one racing game. Right next door is number 2, bowling. So bowling, first of all, I beat my dad the other day by one pin.
That never happened.
I got 66 and he got 65. We'll put a picture up there right now. And so it's really fun. The lightest ball they have is this number 6, but they do have bumpers for like smaller children or bigger children if you don't know, or bigger people if you don't know how to bowl, I guess. They have all the way up to size 15. Now, right next to the convention center, the piano bar, we have our number 1. The virtual reality planet. So as you can see, it's closed and blocked off, but I could just hop that. It's really fun because they have a bunch of 360 rides, like 2 I think. One's a Spitfire one and one is a double player one, and they literally strap you in tight. They have a Tron bike, a shooting game, which is not very fun, and they have a UFO, and there's one other one. Oh yeah, it's a roller coaster simulator. So that wraps up our tour today of Ocean Coral Springs. 5 things that personally I think kids should do. Subscribe to our channel, drop a comment in below if you have any further questions. Peace out.
I am playing boat game.